Hey guys, Jerry from Showtime Audio. Just wanted to show you a very special car that we have in the shop today. It's a 2021 Polestar 1. So this is actually a limited edition car. There's only 1,500 produced worldwide. So it's in for one of our window treatments. It's a longtime client. We've been doing cars for him since pretty much 2010. We do a window treatment all the way around. On this particular vehicle, we're doing 3M Crystalline all the way around. Crystalline is 3M's top of the line window film. We're going to be doing 90% on the roof and windshield and 40% on all the surrounding glass. It's basically for heat rejection and to block UVs and all the harmful rays of the sun. This car is just amazing. If you don't know anything about it, it's pretty wild. It is a high-performance 4-cylinder supercharged engine with 3 electric motors, producing over 600 horse and over 700 foot-pounds of torque. So it is just nuts. We'll show you a little bit of some pictures. We'll show you the trunk. There's some cool technology things. They use a lot of carbon fiber. It has a lot of awards. This car actually won like 8 automotive awards. It's definitely a rare car. So we're super excited to be working on it. And we'll show you the progress as we do all the window treatment and future upgrades.